Hello, welcome back to our gardening, the good, the not so good adventure. I have some exciting update. I'm going to share it with you in this video. Garden, as far as the okra is concerned, yes, it is plentiful, plentiful, and it's growing. So I just watched a video on pruning. So we're going to have to do some pruning some of this back so we can see better because we're letting them get too long. But anyway, okra's growing wonderfully. Still got a lot of flowers on the cucumbers and not seeing any cucumbers growing. Need more pollinating. That's what I've learned as I've researched. This bag of okra came from our garden. As you can see, we're letting some of them get little. Now these can get a little bit longer. This variety can get a little longer, and they're still edible. But some of these other ones are not able to get that long. But anyway, so far, looking good. Trying to let Don do his specialty with his okra and sausage, and we'll see if I can talk him into it. And then I'll let you see what it looks like. It is so delicious. Surprise! We were able to harvest 3 lemon cucumbers. Giving you an update, and some of these stalks look like little trees. Storm blew those over. And then I'm gonna let you see through here. We got some mustardine growing on the fence. Yes. This soil definitely loves okra. Definitely loves this soil. So now I'm gonna get busy cutting and freezing more okra. What a harvest! A sink full of okra. And I believe most of these are still soft. Some of them are too hard though. But what a harvest. One day. This is the okra that was in the sink and this day is July 23rd. It's just amazing that some of the okra, no matter what size it is, some of it didn't quite make the cut. They were hard. Some long ones, some short ones. Just a great harvest. Don was nice enough to make his okra dish. He has the shrimp and the sausage, and oh my goodness, it is so okay. Don, but it is very. It's almost like a gumbo, but with all those type of ingredients.